Hey good people, Logic 10.8 is out and we're going to check out the two new sound packs. Before we get started, check out this amazing layout. Look at how clean and amazing this looks. I know that may be a bit OCD for some of you, but I am absolutely in love with this. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a software instrument within Logic Pro. Go ahead and jump into the Open Sound Library Manager and you're going to find two very important things: Vox Melodics and hybrid textures. So not only will you find this within the loop browser, so there's different loops, we'll take a listen to those in a hot minute, but if I go into the library, you can also find hybrid textures right here. Alright, so let's start off with hybrid textures. Alright, here are a couple of sounds. Let's check these out. Yeah, definitely pretty trippy stuff. Let's go to classics. Let's see what this is about. I like that a lot. All right, and we'll try out pseudo octave tines. Sounds really great. Let me go ahead and open up some of the arpeggiated sounds. Here we go. If you watched my other video, I think I was messing with that one as well. Let's try this out. All right, and thought patterns. Here we go. All right, let's jump over to the loops section here and let's check out hybrid textures. Now remember, these are going to be found inside of Sample Alchemy if you want to work with those. All right, here are a couple different loops. That is cool. I really like these sounds. Definitely very advanced. So I particularly like this type of stuff because if you want to, you can convert over to MIDI and you can have a go at it. Maybe you want to change something up, some of the phrases. Yeah, sounds really nice. Let's check out a couple more. So just for fun, let's take a look at the layout. What are they doing inside of these patterns? They're making really good use of delay. I mean, check out this patch without delay. So this is really what's making all the magic happen here. And if you don't know how to use delays or effects, I highly recommend you click on the user preset menu and you save these for a later date. All right, let's see what else we got here. Dude, all day. For me, I would bounce something like this to audio, and then obviously I would have a go at it. For example, you could play this out. Yeah, like maybe right here, take that little bit, reverse it. You could even change your snap to grid on these glitch parts. Repeat those a couple times. Love it. Fantastic. Let's check out a couple more. I feel like I've heard that somewhere before. All right, enough of hybrid textures. Let's go ahead and check out Vox Melodic. These are just a bunch of audio loops, it looks like. All right, let's check them out. Yeah, this reminds me of Arcade quite a bit, and as Logic Pro users, we are long overdue for this kind of stuff. So I think, the obvious usage is to drag this into a quick sampler, go straight into the slice mode. I mean, that right there, just with a quick beat, I'm not gonna like orchestrate what is gonna happen exactly, but I mean, just check this out. It's absolute fire, right? I mean, absolutely incredible. I love this. I think this is going to make for so many creative moments. I'm absolutely stoked on several levels. Let's go ahead and give the developers an applause here. I mean, they absolutely hit a home run with this, and I cannot be more ecstatic about it. So once again, if you go into Logic and you find Sample Alchemy, this is where you can find a whole slew of different sounds. Again, if you haven't downloaded the sound library, you're actually not going to see any of this, but they have a whole bunch of cool stuff. Let's just play in a couple pads here. Yeah, sounds absolutely wonderful. Definitely score level material here. Let's check out Animated Sparks. All right. My one complaint is that we're not getting any of the visual feedback that you get within the iPad version of this. Not sure if that's just a technical thing, but it's very clear what's happening on the iPad version here. Kind of scrambling around to figure out what is what. Regardless, it is heaps of fun. Got a lot of different things to work with here. I definitely need to put my work hat on and study this at length. But Logic Pro 10.8 is here. It's an absolute blast. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. And we just hit 1,000 followers on my other channel, that Logic Pro guy. We're about to hit 6,000 here. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for the opportunity. I am absolutely elated on every level. This program keeps getting better and better, and I really have to take my hat off to all the engineers, developers, all the chief creative officers, everyone in charge, David Earl, just the whole gang out there. This program is absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm super grateful. If you have not checked out the work of Edgar Rothermich, please do. He is perhaps the greatest Logic Pro mind in existence today. So if you want to learn this program, you want to learn it well, go ahead and check out his work. Of course, you can also like this video and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys, see you later.